everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea Ali. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create the look that I'm wearing right now. This is a look that I've actually done on stories first yesterday, and when I've posted the final look, a lot of you said, oh, please do this on YouTube. Do it on YouTube so we can go back to it and recreate it, because it's so easy. I know that, you know, every time I do this type of eye, people think that, I don't know, is it for me? Is it too much? Is it big? Come on. This is for everybody. This is for you, okay? I dare you to try this. It's so easy and chic and a little rock and roll because it's just a little bit undone, right? Listen, after 689 comments, of you saying, yes, you should do this on YouTube as well. Like, I can't ignore that. I just can't. So here I am recreating the look using the exact same products that I was using on my Insta stories. So let's get into it. This duo right here might be my favorite one to use, especially for a more sophisticated, for a cocktail look, for an evening look. So one is the Synchro Skin Soft Blurring Primer, and the other one is the Synchro Skin Self Refreshing Foundation. This is oil-free, has SPF 30. So this creates an amazing base for this foundation, not only for this foundation, but especially with this. The foundation itself, it's a really great medium coverage, semi-matte finish, something that will beautifully even out your skin tone without adding too much texture on your skin. Stay away from this if you have dry skin or mature skin. Like I said, it's like a demi-matte finish, so it's not very hydrating. For my skin type, so right now I'm a combination skin, and I've pretty much been combination skin my whole life. Sometimes I am dry, but for me right now it's great. If you're oily skin, you're gonna love this. If you have normal skin, you're gonna love this. This is the type of primer that you could apply all over your face. Like I said, it creates a beautiful base. I don't know why on Sephora the foundation is now on sale. I hope this is not going to be discontinued. Shiseido has another foundation. It looks like this, but the bottle is shiny. This one, as you can see, it's matte. And that one would be great if you have dry skin, dehydrated skin, mature skin, because that one has a lot more glow, a lot more dewiness to it. This is in 340 Oak. I will use this brush from Rare Beauty to spread the foundation, and I strongly recommend for this foundation in particular to use a brush, not necessarily a sponge, because usually with a sponge you increase the coverage, and in my opinion this one has enough coverage unless you of course need it and want it. The foundation is warmer and darker than my actual skin tone because I have self-tan on. In case you're new in here, I love self-tan and I apply it pretty much all year round, including now when I'm pregnant. When it comes to concealer, it really depends on my mood that day, and it also depends on my skin that day. There are days when my under eyes are very, very dark, and you know, some other days my skin is better. When I have good day skin, I will use the Power Fabric concealer or the YSL Touche Eclat. YSL Touche Eclat is for like really good skin days, you know, because that one really doesn't have a lot of coverage. So this is the Power Fabric concealer. Has a beautiful satin finish. It dries, it does not stay wet. I'm going to use this concealer brush from Fenty. So try to apply the concealer wherever you actually need it. I know that a lot of people like to apply it in a triangle. Do you actually need it like that? What is left on the brush, I will get it on my eyelids. Chanel Soleil Teint de Chanel. This is a bronzing base that you could apply on bare skin or on top of foundation. It will give you the most beautiful, warm, sun-kissed look. It's just so delicate and, you know, soft on the skin. If you look super, super close, it has incredibly fine, milled shimmer. Rephr 18 brush. I would recommend you to use a synthetic brush for this, only because, I mean, this obviously works beautiful, but these are expensive brushes. You want to have them for as much as possible. And usually after you apply a cream product with a brush, you would have to wash it right away. Please wash your brushes, especially after you use cream. Put them next to your toothbrush and have them clean for next day. It's gonna make a huge change in your life. And if you do this a few times, you know, then it becomes a habit, and then that habit becomes who you are. You see, it's like so, so beautiful. I'm gonna set especially the center of my face using this powder. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. And I have to admit, in real life, I use less powder than I do when I'm creating a look in here. I never ever am surrounded by this many lights in real life. This is a Hakuhodo Kokutan brush. Very, very old brush that I love. Brows Too Faced Super Fine Brow Detailer. This is a new product from Too Faced. You have a spoolie on one side and a pencil on the other side. Very long lasting. I said this before, normally my color in pretty much all the brands is medium brown, but with Too Faced, medium brown is a bit warm for me, so I'm gonna use dark brown. Even if it's a little bit too dark for me, you know, I'll be careful on how much I press on the pencil so I will get less pigment. Doing light strokes. Then I will move on with a Too Faced Brow Wig. And this is another new product for eyebrows from Too Faced that has like tiny little fibers that succeed to make your eyebrows look like you have more than you do. It just gives you so much volume. You could use it on its own. Eyeshadow liner Kohl, and this is in Graphite. It's a very, very beautiful dark gray. Ooh. What was that? Okay, well you got the point. You get to see how it looks like. You know, people always tell me that I'm not close enough. On YouTube, I'm much closer. I'm much closer than on Instagram. So I don't get it. Here's the thing with this product. Super easy to use because it's very creamy. So look at this, one swipe. Right? You have the pigment. Then I'm insisting a little bit at the base of the lashes. And of course, it depends on your eye shape. I think that my eye shape is not giving me a lot of options, you know, because it's a deep set and it's pretty round. So I always try to elongate the eyes. I think that suits me the most. But if your eyes are already like almond shape, then you don't have to pass your natural eye shape too much. So like I said, super easy to use, especially with this tip. So a thicker line at the base of the lashes. You see how easy this is? My God, it's crazy easy. Katie Jane Hughes and Spectrum Collection brush number 17. I'm going to smoke this out. And then we're gonna apply this on the bottom of the lashes, right in between the lashes. Get it in there, and then on the waterline. Even if it looks messy, you see, it looks kind of messy, okay? That's the beauty of this look, I think, that it's a little undone. Then you're gonna come with the brush, blend it. The way I wanted to create this is more of a rock and roll. And trust me, for a makeup artist and for a beauty lover, it is much harder to do an undone makeup look than a perfect one, because we have this tendency, like most artists, makeup artists and artists in general, we have this tendency of creating everything like symmetrical. We're crazy about symmetry. So that's why it's harder to do, you know, a messy look. It's a bit too sharp in here, so I'll try to give it more of a smoky feeling. Yeah. Then I'm gonna use two eyeshadows that, listen, you guys, in here in France, this is available in Sephora. For some reason, I haven't found any of these two in Sephora US. If you find them anywhere, please let me know. So this gray, this matte gray, it's called Velvet Crush in number 32. And then this beautiful sparkly mink color, this is Lame Crush in number 43. I'm gonna start with this one with the matte. I'll use the same brush from Katie, number 17. And I will apply this matte eyeshadow on top of the gray, but pretty much at the end. It's gonna make it look a bit darker because it's matte. And again, I'm using the fluffy brush because I want to stay away of that super precise eye makeup. Okay, so I think I've added enough. Now the eyes are pretty long, like this. Now I'll take the other eyeshadow. Spectrum and Katie number 15 brush. I'm getting this in the inner corner. Okay. This is so nice. Then the same product here in the inner corner. I love this wet shine. You see it? It's really gorgeous. All right, and this is the eye makeup look. I mean, I think it's just so easy, and you don't have to like apply so many colors in order to create a good eye makeup look. This is oh, I was using the other way. Blind. This is the Sweed Pro Lash Lift Mascara. It's one of my favorite mascaras. I haven't had it for a while. Recently received it. And I broke the rule of like finishing one mascara before trying a new one. Only because I love this guy. Do you see this? And this mascara will not smudge, will not have like little, you know, particles in here. It's so long lasting and it holds the curl. I'm gonna use some mascara on the lower lashes as well. And the mascara itself is going to intensify the look. Here comes probably one of my favorite combo for lipstick lately. I'm gonna be using Endless Cacao Artist Pencil from Makeup Forever. This is a very unique color. It's something that maybe you would not think about using on the lips, but it's the perfect shade when you're trying to create that ombre lip. If you're trying to get this and it's out of stock, just so you know, it's thanks to my good friend Katie, who's Katie Jane Hughes, who's absolutely crazy for this pencil, and she made it really, really famous, this color in particular. And now it's out of stock everywhere. Thanks, Katie. Love this color so much. And then I'll be using the classic lipstick from Chanel. This is in Boy. And when I did a video about, you know, iconic lipsticks that are really worth the hype, a lot of you mentioned Boy. And the truth is, it's a beautiful, beautiful lipstick. And I don't know why I haven't included. I think I did include Adrienne in that video, which I absolutely love. But this one is also like... How gorgeous, how gorgeous. This is a type of lipstick that does not require you to have lip balm, you know, in advance. It's just like so hydrating and has a super special shine. It's very chic Parisian, very like everyday. You can make it for a nighttime look, as you can see, or, you know, just apply it on your lips as a tinted lip balm. I'm obsessed with this. Next is Bobbi Brown Pink Glow. This is Illuminating Moisture Balm. I have used this product before in Bare Glow, and if you have Bare Glow, or if it's easier for you to get Bare Glow, get that one because it's more versatile. It's just what I was using for the original look that I've posted on Instagram, so I'm gonna use this. This is such a great highlighter. The truth is, in reality, you know, for a nighttime look, especially where there are not a lot of lights, you do not need a lot of highlighter in order to make it pop on your cheeks. Let's add the earrings, because honestly, these earrings were like complementing the look so well. These are from Synchro. You find them in my description box. They're the most beautiful party earrings, but not with the ponytail. I'm gonna do something else with the hair. Okay, love them. Great. Can you get me a little bit further away? Let's do a thing for the hair. I've slightly changed the hair. It was like too sleek, and I made it more like undone, kind of. I'm really not good with hair. I know what I want, but I don't know how to achieve it. That's my problem. If you are wondering, this is a dress. I'm wearing it. Can I stand up for a second? I love this dress. It's so stretchy and so comfortable, and it's like knee length. This is gonna be my all special occasion dress for when I'm pregnant. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed already. We're gonna hit 1 million soon. I'm so excited. Who remembers the days when I was living in a 30 square meters apartment and I was filming all my videos on the hallway? Because that was the only space I had. We came a long way together. I'm incredibly grateful and very thankful to all of you. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye! You never know how those like healthy hair appears. I love you like a love song, baby. Come here. Come here, baby boy. Oh my god, don't ruin my dress. This is expensive.
I love you so much.